roles of a router, switch, and hub is essential. Let's break it down. A router is the intelligent gatekeeper of networks. Operating at the network layer, it connects different networks, directing data packets between them, like a postal service determining the best route for your package. It assigns IP addresses and enhances security with features like firewalls. Next, we have the switch, which operates at the data link layer. Think of it as an office mailroom, efficiently managing communication among devices within a local network. It learns MAC addresses to ensure data reaches the correct destination, minimizing collisions and maximizing efficiency. Finally, there's the hub, a relic of early networking. Operating at the physical layer, it simply broadcasts data to all connected devices, resulting in congestion and inefficiency. In today's world, hubs are largely obsolete, replaced by smarter, more efficient switches. Understanding these differences is crucial for effective